Let's try to understand the concept of matrix, which was introduced by James Joseph Sylvester in 1850. Kishore has 6 cricket balls. He wants to arrange them in different ways. 6 balls are kept in one line horizontally. 6 balls are kept in one line vertically. The other ways are Joel gives 3 more balls to Kishore. He wishes to arrange them as this kind of arrangement is called matrix. Horizontal arrangements are called rows from top to bottom. First row, second row, third row. Vertical arrangements are called columns from left to right. First column, second column, third column. Matrix is a rectangular array of elements arranged in rows and columns enclosed within square brackets or parentheses. All the rows should have equal number of elements and vice versa. Matrices are denoted by capital letters. Elements are denoted by small letters. An element in ith row and jth column is denoted by Aij. Order of a matrix is number of rows cross number of columns. To find number of elements in a matrix, we have to multiply the number of rows and the number of columns. The matrix A can be expressed as Aij m by n, where I takes the value from 1, 2, 3 up to m and j takes the value from 1, 2, 3 up to n. First row, first column. First row, second column. First row, third column. Second row, first column. Second row, second column. Second row, third column. Third row, first column. Third row, second column. Third row, third column.